I want to talk about Tecknet's Doorbell right here. They sent it for our review, and I'm pretty excited because this is what it looks like. It is a wireless doorbell. No finicking with wires, no complicated install. It is literally plug this receiver inside your house at an outlet, and you have buttons on the side for volume control and different ringtone. And outside, you just have this little press button, and every time someone presses at your gate, at your door, it will chime in indoors wherever this may be. This may be in your bedroom, maybe in your kitchen, anywhere at all. They make it super simple for installation as well, with some 3M tape that will work with the actual clicker as well for the doorbell. If you want to install it straight onto a piece of wood or obviously your door frame, you can do so as well. But makes it super simple, and then they even give you a little extra kind of sticker to make sure that people know, hey, I need to push this because this looks like a futuristic doorbell, and maybe people don't really know, hey, where am I pushing? What's the doorbell? So I would basically have this right here like that, or oops, or side by side, just like this, and people go and push it and chimes. I'm gonna plug it in right now, and I want you guys to hear the chime. This is completely wireless. There's zero installation, just plug and play. So let's plug it in. Okay, I just plugged it in. It's right on the desk here. I played with the different chimes. I mean, I was going through, there's maybe a random, 30 different chimes, but also melodies if you wanted to. But let's see if it actually works. I didn't set anything up, just made sure that the volume is up. Hopefully this microphone can pick it up, and let's see. So it does it twice, bing, bing. That is super quick, and I'll just toggle through a couple other sounds. You get the idea. It's a longer little thing, but of course, if I pressed on it, completely wireless, super simple to install, like I said. Tecknet, well done.